Hello everyone, welcome back to the basement. It has been 5 years since my last video, so thank you for those of you who have stuck around. As you can see, the tank in the background is not the tank I had 5 years ago, so I will cover that in another video. This one I just wanted to be quick. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this pump for a long time, and I wanted to show it to you guys, just unbox it. I'm not going to do a setup. RedSea already has setup tutorials on their website, so I do not want to do them a disservice and show you guys how to set it up the wrong way. So I will just be unboxing this. I hopefully will get to use it and make a review or something, what I think of it after some time. I can't really tell you what I think of it right now. It's just first impressions and an unboxing. I got the tubing kit as well, primarily because I wanted that this mount here because the screw is in the front, and every single one of these I find, the screws are in the back. And there's an issue for me, at least, because I have very little room right there, and the screws don't fit. So it's nice that the screws are in the front on this one to tighten it up. I went with the blue, green, and purple. So let's pop this out. There's not gonna be a whole lot to talk about here. Colorful, flexible airline tubing, that's great. Looks like there's the tips. And it looks like some double-sided 3M tape, and I assume the 3M tape is what's gonna, yeah, for these things, it looks like you get 1, 2, 3 of these. So this organizes the cables for you, so you'll mount these to the wall to kind of route the tubing, and you'll use your 3M tape to hold that. Then here is the plastic piece that goes at the bottom, like connected to your sump. So like I said, I'm happy that this screw is in the front instead of the back, but because it's a RedSea sump, they probably know that their sumps don't have a lot of room, so it's nice that RedSea accommodated that. So yeah, 3 of these, tape, tips, and then of course your tubing, and you can kind of see what it will look like there. Attach the sump, and you get 3 of those, like I said. All right, cool. So now on to the ReefDose 4. I got the 4-stage one, the 4-pump one. They have a 2-pump one. Let's see what it says here. Easy setup, blah, 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 blah. They have a 2-pump one. I went with the 4 because I do plan to do like calcium alkalinity, magnesium, and then probably like, I don't know, acro power or whatever I'm dosing. I am doing this one-handed, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this. Yeah, apologize for the first unboxing video. A lot of people have these nice tripods that go up here and you could look straight down. I'm doing this one-handed with an iPhone, so I'm gonna have to set this down. So yeah, I apologize for the shaky video, but I don't do this for a living. I'm just doing this so you guys could see the pump. So cool. So here is the manual. So it comes with a manual, which I probably will never read, but thank you. Looks like stickers, so I can label everything. I actually do like that quite a bit. I think this is probably for the mounting bracket to line up to pre-drill the holes and everything. That's what I'm assuming that's for. Foam, and then there is the ReefDose in the box. And then here is a power supply. It's a little longer than I was hoping. I was kind of hoping it would be like the Reef LED 90s where it's just a single plug, because this will take up a little bit more real estate than I was hoping it would. Not a big deal though. They give you some mounting screws, which is nice. They don't always include the screws, so I have to go to Home Depot, and I'm never a huge fan of doing that. So, oh, okay, cool. And this is a little vial, which I believe, can it focus, is glass. Feels like glass. And I believe you use this to calibrate. So you would fill this up. And it is actually nice they include that for you. So you would use that to fill up and calibrate it. And actually set the phone down one more time. I'm gonna throw this pump on the box. Come on. And there we go. There it is. So like I said, I've been waiting for this for a little bit of time. They announced it in 2018. I got excited for it. Like I said, I'm using almost all RedSea gear. I got an MP40 over there. But a lot of RedSea gear, so I use the ReefBeat app, so I wanted something that would work in my ecosystem. And then I saw they announced this, and then it kind of disappeared for a couple years, and now here we are in 2021, and it finally came out. They've been pretty hard to get here in the States, but my local fish store got them in, and they gave me a call and said it was ready for pickup. So I am pretty pumped to have this. My old pump is that Jabo 3 head pump, which has been giving me some problems. It's not the greatest, but that was $60 compared to $350. So not as expensive as something like a Versa, but again, I haven't personally used a Versa, but you're probably getting more bang for your buck. You get what you pay for, and I think this is going to be good for what I need it for. I'm not doing auto water changes or anything like that. So just looking at it, it feels nice. It's got some weight to it. It is all plastic from what I could tell. I believe these heads pop off like this, and then they have little screws here where you secure the tubing to them, which is also nice. Here is that mounting plate that I referenced earlier. So this plate just slides down just like the Reef Waves, and you slide it back, and then you drill the plate in and just put the dosing unit on. There is the input for the power supply. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not a whole lot I could show you guys until I set it up and I use it. Like I said, I'm not going to do a setup video, but I will probably do a review. That sounds like something I might do in another 5 years, so I'll try to do it faster. Part of my absence was I had 2 kids, so time is limited for me. I do like making these videos, but it's not super time consuming or anything because I don't put a whole lot of editing into it, but it's just finding the time to do it. I will update you on all that later, but for now, yeah, that was, let's take one quick look here and just look at everything. Yeah, these are manual dosing buttons, but yeah, this is the ReefDose 4. First impressions are good. I like it. It feels sturdy. It feels nice. We'll see how things go. I'll start using it and I'll let you guys know. But for now, thanks for checking in. This is, like I said, first video in 5 years. I am back. So again, thanks for subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.